In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fitbit app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed from the Google Play Store, open for the first time, signed in, and ready for pairing with your Fitbit if you have one. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the official app marketplace for Android, and using it helps ensure you get the genuine Fitbit app and automatic updates. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Type Fitbit, then submit your search. On the results page, look for the Fitbit app listed with Google LLC as the developer. That developer name is important. It helps you avoid lookalike apps and confirms you're getting the official version. When you found it, tap Install. The download size can vary, so give it a moment to complete. The progress bar will show you how it's going. A stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, will make this faster. When the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app. On your first launch, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can sign in with a Google account or a Fitbit account. Choose whichever you prefer. Both options work with the current app. Signing in lets the app back up your health data securely and sync across devices. If you're connecting a Fitbit device, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Bluetooth is what allows your phone and your Fitbit to talk to each other, syncing steps, heart rate, and other data. You can usually toggle Bluetooth from your phone's quick settings or the main settings app. Next, the app will request a few permissions. Allow location and Bluetooth permissions so the app can discover and pair with your device reliably. Android requires location access for Bluetooth scanning to work correctly. Also allow notifications if you want calls, texts, calendar alerts, and health reminders to appear on your Fitbit. You're in control here, and you can adjust these later in your phone settings or within the Fitbit app if needed. A quick note before we wrap up. The Fitbit app works best on Android 11 or later. Also, Google is gradually moving some Fitbit features into a new Google Health system in certain regions. That means screens and options may evolve over time. Keeping your app updated will help you get the latest improvements and compatibility. That's it. Open the app, sign in, enable Bluetooth, grant the necessary permissions, and you're ready to go. Enjoy your setup and happy tracking.